Today I'm going to teach you how to make a banger Sanga with bacon and cheese in the air fryer. So if you don't have a barbie, sit down, strap in and prepare to have your mind blown. You're going to need a sausage, a slice of bacon, some bread, cheese, butter and the sauce of your choosing. Go wild and poke as many holes in the sauce as you like. Now it's time to start cooking. Go ahead and bang your sausage and bacon into the air fryer and shut the drawer. Go ahead and set your air fryer to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Now go ahead and prepare your bread. In my case I'm using a bread roll, so I'll cut open the roll and go ahead and butter it. Throw a thin layer of cheese on the bottom of my bread to help melt around the sausage. I like my bacon extra crispy, so I've left mine in for 9 minutes. Go ahead and pull yours out sooner if you'd rather it a little bit less crispy. Go ahead and chop your bacon up into tiny pieces and bung it on top of your cheese. Watch your fingers as it was crazy hot. If you decided to skip the sausage and go bacon only, well, good on you, I guess. Go directly to applying the sauce bit. If 15 minutes is up, pull out your perfectly cooked banger, throw it onto your chopping board, cut it in half. Obviously this is going to be really hot, so don't be a dumbass like me. Go get yourself a fork or tongs or anything instead of just pushing through and screaming out F-bombs to cope with the pain. Now go ahead and whack on your favourite sauces. I'm a mustard and tomato sauce guy myself. Now go ahead and sprinkle a little bit more cheese to make it look that little bit prettier. All that's left to do is stuff your face. Tell me in the comments below how you went. I'll see you next time that I'm cooking dinner.